This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Marr. Make this home your own. Great corner unit located on a quiet street within walking distance to the clubhouse. Priced right to be remodeled to perfection. Super floor plan with spacious living room and dining room areas, a bedroom-sized den with a closet and window, plus a sunroom surrounded by windows. The primary suite has full wall of closet space and full bathroom. Half bathroom for guests. Water heater 2022. Roof is new and maintenance is covered by community. Covered bridge is an adult community, 55 plus, offering many amenities including clubhouse, 2 pools, tennis courts, shuffleboard and picnic areas. Walk around 2 beautiful lakes and enjoy the beautiful greenery of the community. Don't let this opportunity pass by. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Marr at 561-209-8900.